In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Turbotax account. Whether you're preparing your taxes for the first time or you're a seasoned filer, knowing how to access your account is an essential step. Let's break it down into a few simple steps that will have you navigating with ease. First, we'll begin by going online to the official Turbotax website. This is your trusted portal for managing your tax documents and filing returns. You can simply open your internet browser and type in turbotax.intuit.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the home page, which is designed with user-friendly navigation in mind. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Clicking on this will prompt the Sign In menu to appear. It's important to remember that signing in ensures the security and privacy of your tax information, so always make sure you're on the authentic TurboTax site before proceeding. Once the Sign In menu is visible, you'll be asked to enter your registered phone number or email address. This is the information you used when you first created your TurboTax account. If you can't remember which one you used, try to recall any confirmation emails or messages from when you initially set up your account. After entering this information, click the Sign In button to move forward. This will verify your identity and take you to your personal TurboTax dashboard. Now you're in the home stretch. After successfully signing in, it will direct you to the TurboTax homepage. This is where you have access to all your previous filings, account settings, and any resources you might need as you prepare your taxes. It's a hub for managing your financial documents, and you'll see clearly labeled sections such as My Tax Timeline and Documents. This page not only provides an overview of your tax journey, but also offers helpful tools and tips that can make the filing process smoother. A few tips to keep in mind: if you ever forget your password, you can easily recover it by clicking the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Also, for a quicker and more secure login process in the future, consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's an option. And there you have it, finding and accessing your TurboTax account is as simple as that. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure and familiarizing yourself with the site will make future tax seasons less daunting. Thanks for joining, and we hope this guide makes your tax filing effortless.